Hey guys, I'm FatBuddyCat, and this is the Gx160 Race Day Mini Bike. The first part we're going to get into is this motor. Because the next thing to get into this motor is all these really awesome parts from my friends at ombwarehouse.com and Grey Goat Garage. As you can see, I already got a head start because I wanted to test fit my cam and make sure we are good to go. I'm also going to remove the head, the fan shroud, and then the PVL flywheel. From the inside of the motor, I kept the genuine Honda cam and lifters. This Gx160 build features a very low hour block and crank from Everest Part Supplies. This motor also already has an ARC 383 billet rod installed, as well as a Honda UT2 flat top 480 comp piston. This is a genuine Honda 14cc head. I removed the insulator and the studs. We'll save this spark plug. It's looking primo. We're not going to be needing these rockers. I'm also taking out the valve guide and stock rocker studs. Next, I'm going to remove my valve springs. This motor already has a set of 22s. We'll put those aside. And then finally, I can remove the valves. There's really no reason to pull out the rod and mess with the piston and rings in this motor. So we're going to be leaving the rest of it in there. As a caution, we're not going to just go spraying brake clean and stuff around here, because we do have bearings and rings that we want to hold on to the residual that's there. Okay? So just get in with the towel, clean everything off the bottom of the block the best I can, and I might even suck it out with the vacuum cleaner. The real reason for the vacuum, though, is because I pulled out the 7/16 20 tap and threaded my low oil sensor hole. I got to get a bolt and a lock washer for that. Well, I'm going to have to go to the hardware store in the morning and grab a few things. But tomorrow, we're going to get this bottom end all tightened up. Because as always, it's a work in progress. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night. I'll catch you on the next one.